Hello and welcome to Quilts by Carmel. I am Joe Carmel and I am here to do my second Sew Sampler video. I subscribed to this after watching Sew Becca and I did the month of September last month. This is October 2022, so I'm excited and I love getting it in the mail. Um, but I'm doing a 3-month trial, so this is my second month and then I have one more month to decide if I want to continue on. Okay, so let's open it up. I will say it's really fun to get something in the mail and not know what it is. I'll say that. They did give us a hint, and it was something about roses or something. And I felt like I know there's some fabric, country rose fabric in here, but we'll see. We'll see right now. All right, I opened it. It says everything is coming up. I guess I should show it to you. Everything is coming up roses. October 2022. So sampler. Look at this box. Don't you love the top? I think that's just so cute. So kudos to Fat Quarter Shop for that. I really like that. Alrighty, so let's see. If I remember last time there was a coupon. Yes, yay! It is 30% off the Jolly Bar book volume 4. It's good until December 20th, 2022. And if I remember correctly, recently she did, when I say she, I'm talking about Kimberly Jolly from the Fat Quarter Shop. She did, I don't know if it's a Friday Live or not, but she showed all the patterns, all the quilts for the patterns in Jolly Book 4. Jolly Bar Book Volume 4 on a live. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and watch that and see if there's anything that piques my interest. I recall, I think there was, but now that I have 30% off, I'm really going to look. So I think this is great. I love getting this coupon. I will say that. That's probably one of my favorite things about this box is coupons. I see it. I see it. It is Country Rose by Layla Boutique. So that's who the fabric is. Hopefully that zooms in. There we go. Um, so you can see that this fabric is super cute. Look at those colors. I have my window open, so hopefully I don't have too much light for you all. It looks cute. You know, it looks like the black or the charcoal is missing. I think that is. Yeah, I think it's just the let's read it. Let's see exactly what it is. I already showed you the fabric already. All right. I'll get better, I hope. Um all right. So this is everything is coming up roses, and there is the Bliss Quilt Along. I think, yeah, Joanna Figueroa, and here is the block number 7. Block 7. And I'm just now noticing that there is a cost, like $4.98 or $4.95. It's down here. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, $4.98 for each block. So I didn't calculate that last time. I don't know if I would pay $495 for um, just this one block as far as a pattern goes. So I don't know about that. But let's see what else is in here. Let's go. Okay. So let's see. Okay, it's the two of a kind Country Rose Junior Jelly Roll. So that's what this is. Okay. And it's valued at $21.98, and it's 20 pieces of fabric. Okay, so it's like half of a true jelly roll. Let's see. Oh, I never seen this thing before. What is this? All right, this is called the Riley Blake Designs Quilty Tools Binding Holder. That's a lot of words, y'all. I'm sorry. This is valued at $10.74. So I'm going to say so far it's about $33 is the value. But let's read what it is. It says This adorable new notion by Riley Blake Designs will keep you happy by keeping your binding tightly wound. It's made of clear acrylic and features a slot to feed your binding through. Simply wind the rest of your binding around the center cut out and totally it will be totally under wraps. Okay, I get it. It's a Christmas pun. I think it is. The charming churn dash design is cute finishing touch, just as your binding is to your quilt. Okay, that's cute. Is it something I would use? I don't think so, guys. I already have a system for my binding. Maybe that's why. But it truly is cute, and I do like getting notions. So this one's $10.94. What's next? Mini Soak Sampler Pack. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's laundry soap. Or let's read it. Soak in the good vibes of Mini Soap Sampler Pack, the eco-friendly formulation of laundry soap. So yeah, it's laundry soap. This kind of reminds me of getting, when you got the Tide in the mail. My mom used to really look forward to that with 7 kids. She used to look forward to some free laundry soap. Um, the value is $4.24. I wonder if is it 3 different kinds? Let's open it up. Let me see before I give my honest opinion. Oh, it has let me open it. It has, I want to say flavors, but I'm going to say scents probably would be the better word for it. See? So this, if I can get it out, this first one is wild mint. You see that? There's not much in here either. Wow. So it's for your delicates. So if you wanted to do your quilts and stuff. This one is, oh, I like it. It's scentless. So if you don't do scents, yeah, that's good. And then this one is, I'm probably going to say this wrong, yuzu. You guys tell me how to say that, yuzu. Um, this is interesting. Um, yeah, it's interesting and it's okay. It's not what I expected either, so that's funny. All right, I think I got a couple more things. I'll put this away later. Okay, this is called the Lime Prim Needle Twist. All right, I don't know what this thingamabob is. I don't know what it does. Let's see, let's read it. It says the Prime Needle Twister from Prime is everything it's twisted up to be. They have someone good writing on their team because it is kind of humorous to read these. With a magnetic base, the Prime Needle Twister safely and securely stores all your needles. Twist down to hide them away and snap on the protective cap, or twist up and fan out the needles. Toss them into your sewing bag. Your You needle not wordy. That is corny, but it's cool. Let's see. I'm liking notions, but this one's kind of far-fetched to me. So let's see. I don't know how to open it. There we go. Let's open this. Let's see if I can do it. It is lime green though. So it says twist down to hide. So it's already twist down. Or twist up to fan. Up to fan. Oh, you must have needles in here. Oh, there we go. Okay. I get to go back in. Okay. So if you wanted to, and then snap that on. So if you wanted to take needles with you, so if you do cross stitch, if you do hand sewing, I can see, and maybe even for your machine needles, if you have all the same size, you're going on retreat, this would be a great safe way to carry them. Okay. Okay. So, okay. I like it now. I had to think about it. And then what else is in here? Oh, Here we go. This is my favorite part. The coup de grace is the pattern. Two of a kind is the name of this pattern. And it must go with the jelly roll for them to send this. So it must go with the jelly roll. Let's see what else we might need to finish this. Ooh, I know we're going to need some background, but they also give you the template. So that's nice. That's really nice. This is by Susie Ashe and Lisa Alexander. So it really is pretty cute. And I have to say, this and the coupon are probably my favorite. I love the fabric too. I like the fabric too. But those are my favorite. So let's see how much, what the value is in the whole box. Let's go back there. Let me get this thingamabob. All right. This is $21.98 or $22. Where is that? Okay. This thingamabob, I'm sorry, it's called a Riley Bake Quilty Tools Binding Holder. A lot of words, y'all. Is $10.74. So let's just say $32 thus far. And what I can appreciate, what I can really appreciate is this is worth, these two is over $30. So it's like $33. I pay for the box is $24.95 plus $5 shipping, so it's $30. So I've already got my value just in these two. So I can appreciate that quite a bit. I really like that. So we're at $32. The laundry soap is at $4.24. I don't know how many of you guys would pay $4.24 for 3 packs of laundry soap. I don't know. So I don't know if we should count that. Let's not count that. Okay. But so we're still at 33. Let's see this. This is $10. So we're at 43. I like this thing now that I figured out I can use it for my needles for my sewing machine as well. So I like that a lot, like the thought of that. So we're at 43 right now. And then we have the pattern, which I think is worth it. This one is $9.98. So I really think this pattern is worth it. So 43 plus 10, $53 right there. And then if we count this one, which is $4.98, that would be 53 plus 5 is 58. However, $5 for this or $10 for this. I don't know if I would count this at $5. That's just my personal opinion. I'm sorry, I hit my mic. That's my personal opinion. So I would have to say the true value for this box for me is $53, even though it might be up to $60. I think the true value is about $53. All right, what I like about it. This has to be my favorite. The coupon is my second favorite. And I do love the fabric. I do love it. The only hiccup is I have a full jelly roll of Country Rose, and mine has the darker colors, and I like the darker colors of her fabrics. Um, so I am going to give this away to one of you all. Yeah, I'm going to give this away, and I'm going to do it. Let's just keep it with the middle of the month, November 15th. We're going to say November 15th. But I'm also going to add in this for this binding thing. And it has little holes here where you can put the binding through. It's just not my cup of tea. It's really cute. And I love the fact that I'm getting notions, but it's I don't think I would use it. So I don't, let's just give this away. Okay. So it's going to be this and this. Right. Last month, I had my first winner, Vivian Calvi. Congratulations. I sent her the fabric and the pattern. Hopefully you got it. I hope you have it by now. But this month, we're going to do these two. Okay, it's going to be this junior jelly roll of country rose and this notion. Okay, all you have to do is put something about roses in the comment below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get that out of the way first. But if you're subscribed and you put a comment about roses, you'll be entered in a raffle, and I will announce it November 15th. I think I'll do a separate little video because Vivian, she didn't respond right away. So I had to contact her through Facebook to actually let her know that she won. Um, so if you would, something about roses to get this junior jelly roll of Country Rose by Layla Boutique and this quilty notion by, do I have it upside down? Of course I do. Riley Blake. Okay. As for the boxes, I like this box better than last month, although I really love that seam ripper. I really love that last month. I liked the notions last month more than I liked the notions this month. And I like the fabric and the pattern more this month than last month. So right now I'm at like a 50-50. I think this next box for November will tell me definitely if I'm going to stay or go. Um, so I'm kind of looking forward to it. I really do enjoy it. I got mine a little late. I think that's probably because I'm in California. Um, but I do enjoy receiving it in the mail. So we'll just keep going until I decide yay or nay. Well, we got one more month. Okay. So please put in the comment section below anything about roses. What your favorite rose is, what your favorite color rose is, if your name is Rose, any of those things. um, I would love to see it in the comment section. And then on November 15th, I'll do a raffle and announce the winner. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for visiting with me. And I'll see you soon.